How to download and install Finch. Finch is available both on Play Store and App Store. On your device, open either Play Store or App Store. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Finch. If you want to be more specific, you can search for Finch Self-Care App. Once you have written that, then search for it. When you do that, then you will see the Finch Self-Care App on the very top. You can click on the app and click on Install option to install the application. If you don't see this application on your Play Store or App Store, you can even install this using your web browser. Open any of your preferred web browser and go to the search bar. In the search bar also, type in the same thing, Finch Self-Care App. Once you have searched for it, then on the result page, you will see all the links. If you scroll down a bit, then you will see the Google Play application. You can simply click on the install option to install it from your web browser also. You can click on the images to see the application layout. That's all for today. Thank you.